Hey everyone, ready to uncover a game development secret? Today, I'm diving into something absolutely mind-blowing in the realm of game development. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about how AI, specifically ChatGPT, is revolutionizing the way we create games. But there's more to it than meets the eye. Not too long ago, developing a game required extensive coding skills and a lot of time. But guess what? That's becoming a thing of the past. Thanks to advancements in AI, we can now whip up interactive HTML5 games in, believe it or not, just minutes. Intrigued yet? Here's the scoop. AI artist Pierrick Chevalier recently showcased on X, formerly known as Twitter, how he uses ChatGPT, along with tools like Photoshop and Illustrator, to create a fully functioning minigame. It's short, sure, but it's a massive peek into a future where game development might just be at the tip of our fingers. Imagine the possibilities. Now, how does this magic happen? It starts with creating the game characters. Instead of painstakingly drawing each sprite, Pierrick downloaded vector images from an external site. These sprites were then tweaked and exported using Illustrator. Simple, right? But wait, there's more. Next up, the game's environment. Using another AI tool called Midjourney, Pierrick generated a cartoon-style background of a forest scene. But he didn't stop there. He added depth by enhancing the images in Photoshop, tweaking and fine-tuning to get everything just perfect. The plot thickens, and here comes the game changer, ChatGPT. Pierrick fed the AI detailed instructions along with the media he'd prepared. And voila, within minutes, ChatGPT spit out an HTML page that turned into a playable HTML5 game on a canvas. Just like that. Can you believe it? Imagine the potential if we spent even more time refining this process. The possibilities are truly limitless. From educational tools to intricate storytelling games, AI could dramatically alter how we conceive, develop, and enjoy games. The future is closer than you think. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just a curious tech enthusiast, the future of game development is knocking at your door. And it's powered by AI. How exciting is that? Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the future of tech as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how technology continues to shape our world. Catch you in the next video. Stay curious.